In this video, I will show you how to send a payment request on Wise. To do this, go and open up the Wise app or website, and from the home screen, click on the request button. Then from there, you can send it to a specific person, or you can just create a link that you can send to anyone. So I'll just click on anyone. And then from there, you can either click share and then copy your link, or you can click add amount and note so that you can request a specific amount. For example, first I'll set it to euro, and let's say I want to request 25. Then I can just type it in here, then write a note, so for example what it's for, and then click create request. And now here you can then copy the link, you can share it somewhere, or you can get the QR code and then just send it to someone, and then once they pay for it, you will have it in your balance. So that's how to send a payment request on Wise. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.